I am the Mainly Digger. Had a great day. Another great day, kind of an impromptu hunt. And I had no plans. And it just kind of happened. I have an addiction. The addiction is real. So great day for metal detecting. Cold, like it's getting colder, but it warmed up. And a lot of great finds today. I also went out and I went across the street to the Good Will Hinckley property, the actual Good Will Hinckley property, and did not metal detect. Do not metal detect on that property. If you ever come to Maine, Fairfield, Maine, don't do it. Just kind of explored, took you, the viewers, on a tour of the Good Will Hinckley property, or pieces, parts of it, some old structures. Not houses, but structures, and it's just there's so many trails back there, and maybe someday I'll cover them all, but they're amazing. It's an amazing adventure. Mainly dig out. So on this tour, I'm not going to go into deep. I'm not going to go in far, but we're on the Good Will Hinckley side. I think I've said that before. On the Continental Trail, and just kind of walking. There's multiple different trails, and it's just I don't know. It's a nice place. It's a good feeling. They're kind of losing funding, or have been losing funding to keep up these historic monuments. They're not, I mean, they're monuments, but they're structures. They're amazing structures that have been around for over 100 years easy. Good Will Hinckley, or Hinckley, built them. So this is pretty cool. Love the old stone structures. Love them. So I don't know if someone stole, because there used to be brass placards here, so I don't know if they were stolen or not, or the museum has them. This is cool. Very cool. Kind of see the roof is coming down. Of course, someone's Dunkin' Donuts. You gotta have the Dunkins. Trash. I'll take that down. Anyway, love the old stone structures. I've said that multiple times. I get excited when I see them. Remind me of, times past. Continental Trail. They're called the Continental Trail, and there's a bunch of trails that run through, public trails that run through the school, or the property of the school. And I wish there was something that was great here once, and it was taken down. It's kind of sad. Like, I get angry. You get angry if you start, not emotional, but like feel the hate and discontent for society. Anyway, still ruins, good old ruins, and it goes on for a while. So I've been out for a while, and this is the first real find of the day. Though I found a couple cans and whatnot, but this is a railroad spike, which is, I love finding these things. They're just fun to find. I don't know, maybe it's just a me thing, but that is pretty cool. Out and about, back at the Good Will Hinckley KVCC property. Good old times. This place is amazing. Gold mine of just historic stuff in general. There's so much stuff here. I'm with Madison Maine's out here, and Kelly. So good times. Gorgeous. This place is gorgeous. It's fall. It's probably about 20 maybe 30 degrees. It's probably about 30 degrees right now. 30 degrees in Maine. So if you don't like the cold, don't come to Maine. Mainly dig out. That is awesome. I can go home now. I think I found a razor, like an actual like shaving razor. That is so cool. Or at least a knife. That's awesome. Oh, yeah, another square nail. So what I think I'm looking at here is, over here was a well, like a little pump well, and hopefully I'll be excited to find out is if there's more stuff around here. This is where like same area that I found the straight razor. So maybe someone stopped here, shaved their face, and then carried on, dropped the razor. Who knows? So I just found a piece of metal, an old piece of metal, but it's a piece of metal. So I'm on a road. There's a road right here that you can't see, but it's an old road. The house, there's an old house site right there, and that barn, or it's Nutter. It's called Nutter House. It is it's part of the school now, but it used to be like a field house or a sporting house for the school, for Good Will Hinckley. So there's a road right here. That's the whole point. Whole point of me talking right now is there's a road. That's what I'm focusing on. Oh, look at that. It's a horseshoe. Pretty sure it's a horseshoe or an oxen shoe. It's too small to be an oxen shoe, so it's a horseshoe. So that's pretty cool. So not gonna lie, when I first picked this up, I was like, oh great, another melted piece of lead. And then I turned it over and I saw these two nubbins. So it's got to be something important or something cool. I will have to dry it out and clean it. It looks like it just, I don't know, this side doesn't look like anything, but this side is the magic part. I'll have to go get verification.